lods, ito nga pala yung aming aster ng pipitas aking dami yan, ganda. Ito yan, yan. Tapos pagka ano na, okay na, ganito na mangyayari dyan. Daming bulaklak. Yan. If I ever fall in love again, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know where. If I ever fall in love again. Ito mga lods. Ayan, pwede nang pumitas.